Hello students, today we are going to learn GK question answer. First we learn body parts. First question is, how many sense organs do we have? We have 5 sense organs. How many organs? 5. The next question is, name the 5 sense organs. Eyes, ears, tongue, nose and skin. The next is, what can we do with our eyes? We can see with our eyes. If we don't have eyes, we can't see anything. So, the eyes is one of the organs in our body part. Next is, what can we do with our ears? Do you know? Yes, we can hear with our ears. We can listen music, we can hear some of the voice because of ears. Next is, what can we do with our nose? Do you know? Yes, we can smell with our nose. We can smell flower, we can smell perfume because of our nose. Next is, what can we do with our tongue? Yes, we can taste with our tongue. We can taste different like sour, spicy, bitter because of our tongue. The very next is, how many hands do we have? We have 2 hands. How many hands? 2 hands. What can we do with our hands? Do you know? Yes, we can work with our hands. The next is, how many legs do we have? We have 2 legs. How many legs? 2 legs. What can we do with our legs? Yes, we can walk, we can run with our legs. The next is, how many eyes do we have? We have 2 eyes. How many eyes? 2 eyes. The next is, yes, how many ears do we have? Yes, we have 2 ears. How many ears? 2. 1 and 2. So, we learn body parts. Now next we learn. Now we are going to learn plants question answer. The very first question is, name any 2 parts of plants. Over here I arranged so many parts. The first part is roots. The second is leaves, then fruit, then stem and flower are the parts of plant. The very first picture is roots, and the next is leaves, the third one is fruit, and the fourth is stem, and the last one is flower. These are the parts of plants. Next, who give us shade in hot summer? Do you know who give us shade in hot summer? Yes, trees gives us shade in hot summer. The next is, who gives shelter to squirrels, birds and insects? Trees give shelter to squirrels, birds and insects. Do you know where birds are lives? Yes, in a tree. Like that way, squirrel and insects also lives in a tree. Next, Name any 3 things that we get from plants. We can get so many things from plants like wood, rubber, flowers, fruits and vegetables are things we get from plants. So plant is very useful for us. Next is, what is the color of leaves? Yes, leaves are green in color. Leaves are green in color. The next question is, what do plants need to grow? Plants need air, water, soil and sunlight to grow. So understood all of you? So today you have to do one homework that I will give you. You have to grow the one plant in your home because the plants are very useful for us. Today you learnt already. Plants give fruits, vegetables, rubber, wood, so many things plants are give us. The plants give us oxygen also. So plants is a very useful for us. So today you need to grow one plant in your home. Okay students, bye bye, have a nice day.